Have you ever invested money and thought to yourself, you know what, I'm going to put money in and over the next decade, I'm not going to get any rate of return? Exactly. In the video that Christian goes through, he's going to be explaining a time in history called the lost decade. It is explained in a scenario of investments. Enjoy the video.
Between the year 2000 to the year 2013, millions of people lost over 10 years of growth in their variable savings account. Let's say it's the year 2000 and you had $100,000 of your hard-earned savings in a variable savings account. By the year 2003, your $100,000 would have dropped to about $62,000. That's a 40% loss in just 3 years. Then in 2008, you almost get your full 100K back. You've just experienced 8 years of an emotional roller coaster, haven't you? Then in 2009, during one of the biggest drops in American history, your money drops to about $64,000. It took you 9 years to get your 100K back just to lose it all again. Then in 2013, the market came back up and you barely made some money, 100K and some change. You basically lost 13 years of your life. That's why it's called the lost decade. But there hasn't just been one lost decade, and this isn't going to be the last one. Many would agree that we are in one right now. If you would like to put your hard-earned savings in a secure investment account that grows with the market but doesn't drop when the market drops and can provide a stream of lifetime income at retirement, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
Powerful information, wasn't it? If you'd like to learn more about a tax-free account, go ahead and click on the link right there. Or if you'd like to learn more about a child index plan, go ahead and click the link right there. Enjoy.